Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get free Microsoft certification for AB-100, AB-900 and AB-620. There is a free 100% Microsoft exam voucher again for the AB-100, AB-900 and AB-620. So entry period is there. So June 58, 2026 at 12 a.m. PT and July 58, 2026 at 11:59 PMPT. Okay, total vouchers is that 900. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for that. So here we'll learn how to participate in the Microsoft AI Agent Skill Sweepstakes 2026 and get a chance to win a free Microsoft certification voucher by earning an eligible Microsoft applied skill. This video explains the eligibility, registration process and important details for AI learners and professionals. So this is the URL. We'll open this one. This will learn.microsoft.com/en-us credential certification and Microsoft AI Agent Skill Sweepstakes. So here build and demonstrate agentic AI skill with the Microsoft credential, earn a applied skill credential and get a chance to win a 100% certification voucher. So want to level up your career with the AI skill that design future to intelligent agentic system. So here you can see Microsoft applied skill credential, verify the proof of ability to apply AI in the real scenario and get a chance to win a free Microsoft certification voucher to help you the progress toward the earning a certification. So Microsoft credential, two paths to prove your skill: AI changing the job and market of IT and proving your skill matter more than ever. A survey from the Resume Genius found that 81% of hiring managers prioritize AI skills. That's where Microsoft credential come in and bridge the gap of the both of technical and business audience. So there is a two things are there. So final we'll go to and AI impact of the hiring summary. You can go to the recruiters in involvement and this is the entry period. I've already gone through this one and earn a eligible Microsoft apply skill, submit the Sweepstake entry form and will be entitled to the chance to receive a 100% Microsoft exam voucher. You can explore other things. So why will participate? So build by an agentic AI skills, accelerate your path to certification and stand out the competitive job market. So here Microsoft certification plus access to 100% exam voucher. How to enter? So earn a skill. So you can go through this link. So this is the my eligible Microsoft applied skills. So you can go through this one. So here you can go one by one. You are already logged in or not logged in, then logged in through the step-by-step process. And next, submit a entry form. When you'll click this one, this is the entry form. So there Microsoft AI agent is skill sweepstake and ready to put AI work on your role and eligible Microsoft applied skills. Submit the sweepstake entry form and you will enter to the chance to receive a 100% of Microsoft certification exam voucher. So complete the step. Choose the complete eligible Microsoft apply skill between the 15 June to July 15, 2026. So these are the skills. You can go through here also and you choose your complete this one and submit the entry form. So let me open this. So this will open and open with this and Microsoft Learn and just prepare the assessment and complete this. Okay. So you have to go with the learning path and you have to complete and there is a take a assessment. So 45 minutes to complete the assessment. So you have to complete this one and here take assessment is there. So now, so like that you create agent and Microsoft Copilot Studio. So open in Microsoft, you have to complete this one. Okay. So warning, this will retire on 30th June 2026, no longer. So don't go with this. This is already retired and you can go with the other also. So submit the entry form, you contact details and applied skill credentials. If you are selected, you will receive an email from the Mind Hub Pro by Pearson View with the 100% off voucher and and instruction to redeeming, and this discount voucher used for the three Microsoft exam. So these are the three. Before entering to this, read the official term and condition rule. Let me go through this. And there is a how to redeem your voucher. I will create a video after getting the voucher. I will create the video step by step process and check the frequently asked question. Go with this one also. Winner will drawn on July 16, 2026 or will receive 100% discount Microsoft exam voucher within the 7 days of drawing. So entry without a qualifying Microsoft applied skill will not be counted. Good luck and happy learning. So this is the participation details. So before that, okay. So term and condition is not okay. Let me go through this. Yes, challenge rule. Okay, not opening. So okay, that's not issue. We'll go through this. So here your participation detail. Enter your answer. So enter your Microsoft Learn profile username in use to the earn a qualifying applied skill. When you click this one, you will get a username. So from there, you can find your username. So you put that username, provide your email address. So enter a valid email address here. So confirm your qualifying applied skill. So just check this one, which one you have done. Credits you enter into Sweepstakes. So select this one, which one you completed, and then provide your proof of credential link to qualifying this one. So create a tab within the Microsoft Learn and just share this one. And optional, if you participate on behalf of the organization, then you have to provide this one, and please select the which region you are participating from. So you can select from Asia. Okay. So and next, when you click on the next, okay, we have to complete this one. Then only it will go for the next. And there you have to submit the form. Final submit will be there. So this is the Microsoft AI agent skill sweepstake is going on. So participate on that. So here we'll get the 100% free Microsoft exam voucher again. So AB-100, AB-900 and AB-620. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. So for any copyright concern, you can send me mail on chiragmahto@gmail.com, and you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box and like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.